If you've opened Google and seen random websites in your recent searches that you've never visited, gambling sites, spam domains, things you've never heard of, don't panic. You probably haven't been hacked. This is a really common problem right now, and I'm going to explain exactly what's causing it and how to fix it in about 3 minutes. Here's what's happening. You open Google or tap the search bar, and there are weird sites in your recent searches. They're not sites you've ever visited or searched for. Naturally, your first thought is that someone has hacked your Google account, but in almost every case, that's not what's happened. The real cause is much simpler. The good news is this is almost always caused by dodgy redirect ads on free websites, not someone accessing your account. The most common sources are free manga sites, free streaming sites, pirate movie sites, and basically any website that has aggressive pop-up ads. If you've visited any site like that recently, that's almost certainly where this came from. Here's exactly what's happening behind the scenes. You're on a free website and you click a link, maybe to read the next chapter of a manga or watch the next episode of something. The site opens your content in a new tab, but your original tab, the one you were on, silently redirects you to a Google search. Specifically, it goes to google.com/search?Q equals, and then some spam site name. Because you're logged into Chrome and your Google account syncs everything, that search gets saved to your Google search history. Later, when you open Google and you see it and you think you've been hacked, but it was your own browser triggered by a dodgy ad redirect. Why do these sites do this? It's a form of traffic laundering. Spam and gambling sites use your browser to generate real Google searches for their domain name. This makes their site look more popular and more legitimate. More real user traffic means they can sell ad space at higher prices. It's essentially using your browser to boost their search rankings without you knowing. The sites doing this are almost always illegal gambling operations, and it's especially common on free manga and streaming platforms. First fix is clear the spam from your search history. Go to myactivity.google.com. This shows everything Google has recorded. Click delete, then choose last hour or last day to clear recent searches. Or you can search for specific spam terms and delete them individually. On mobile, you can also tap your profile picture in Google, then search history, then delete. This removes the spam entries from your account so they won't keep showing up. Second fix, check your browser extensions. Type Chrome://extensions into your address bar. Look through the list for anything you don't recognize or don't remember installing. Remove anything suspicious immediately. Red flags include extensions with generic names like Helper, Optimizer, or Speed Booster. Also, watch out for extensions you definitely didn't install yourself. Some dodgy websites trick you into installing extensions through fake download buttons. Third fix, check your logged in devices. Go to myaccount.google.com/device-activity. This shows every device currently signed into your Google account. Look through the list and remove anything you don't recognize. If anything looks suspicious, change your password immediately and make sure two-step verification is turned on. That's the single most important thing you can do to protect your Google account. Fourth fix, and probably the most important, install an ad blocker. This prevents the redirects from happening in the first place. The best option is uBlock Origin on Firefox. It's free, open source, and blocks virtually all redirect ads. On Chrome, the full version of uBlock Origin is being phased out, but uBlock Origin Lite still works. Alternatively, you can switch to Brave browser, which has a built-in ad blocker on both desktop and mobile. Firefox with uBlock Origin is the gold standard, and it also works on Android. Stop this happening again, 3 quick tips. 1. Use Incognito mode when visiting any free streaming or manga sites. Searches and history in Incognito don't sync to your Google account. 2. Never allow notifications from random websites. Always click block when a site asks to send you notifications. If you've already allowed some, go to Chrome Settings, then Notifications, and remove any suspicious websites. And 3, check your Chrome notification settings periodically. Spam notification permissions are one of the most common ways your browser gets hijacked. Quick recap, 5 steps. 1, clear your search history at myactivity.google.com. 2, remove suspicious extensions at chrome://extensions. 3, check your logged in devices and change your password if anything looks wrong. 4, install uBlock Origin or switch to Brave browser. And 5, use Incognito mode for any streaming or manga sites going forward. And that's it. Much less scary than it looks. You haven't been hacked. Your browser just got tricked by a dodgy redirect. Drop a comment if this has happened to you.